One of the most beautiful concept of the inert gases regarding the melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points of noble gases are extremely low in comparison to those substances of comparable atomic and molecular masses. This is due to the fact that there is no strong intraatomic forces, only weak van der Waals forces such as dipole, induced dipole, instantaneous dipole interaction are available both in the liquid and solid state. Down the group, the melting points and boiling points increases due to increase in the magnitude of van der Waals forces of attraction with increase in the atomic size. There is a very small difference between the boiling points of these inert gases down the group. Now, a beautiful, amazing, wonderful fact about helium is what I am going to discuss now. Helium as a gas possesses lowest boiling point of any known substance. Gaseous helium, when you cool below 4.2 Kelvin, it condenses to a liquid known as helium 1. This helium 1 on further condensation on this helium 1 on further condensation to 2.2 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure changes to a remarkable liquid known as helium 2. What is this helium 2? This helium 2 is having the following beautiful, remarkable properties which you will really get surprised and you will wonder. It is having a very high heat of conductance. You will wonder the heat of conductance is 600 times the heat of conductance of copper. This is the first amazing fact. Second amazing fact is it has a very low viscosity. You can say 1/1000th of hydrogen gas. Therefore, this is the state where it is virtually frictionless. Third important thing, it's able to flow uphill. It is able to flow uphill.